everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo Search in Chrome. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you've noticed that your Chrome web browser's default search engine has been changed to yahoo.com no matter how many times you've removed it, then this could happen because of malware or a malicious extension installed on your Chrome web browser. In order to fix that, go and click on the three dots at the top right from your Google Chrome and click Settings from the expanded menu. Click Extensions from the left-hand side menu, and now check if you see any extensions that you did not install or you don't want. Once you find the extension, simply disable the extension by clicking on this toggle menu or simply remove it by clicking on Remove. If you think this is a malware, you can also click on this Report Abuse and click on Remove. Repeat the steps for any other extensions, and once you've done that, you might be able to fix your issue. Another way to fix it is to go back to the Settings menu again, click on the three dots at the top right and click Settings. From your Settings menu, click on Reset and Clean Up. Under Reset and Clean Up, click on Clean Up Computer. Now, doing this will help you find harmful software on your computer with the help of Chrome. Click on the Find button so that Chrome will be able to find harmful software on your computer and it will be able to remove it. Once you go through this process, you might be able to fix your issue. After you've done with cleaning up your computer, go to Restore Settings to their original default option. Click on Reset Settings, and doing this will help you reset your Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data, and you just might be able to solve your issue. Those were some of the fixes whenever Yahoo keeps appearing as your default search engine on Google Chrome, no matter how many times you change it to something else. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.